course. Good evening, people. Good evening once again if you're just joining us. Good evening to the Facebook crew. Good evening to Instagram crew. If you log in on the website, good evening to you as well. This is the Upper Live Show. We do this each and every Tuesday, 9 p.m. right here live on TGA Radio. As before, we always bring you the best of the best, bring you the best of the social commentary, best of the dancehall scene, best of the hip hop, everything right here live on the Upper Live Show. We bring to you fresh. So it's been a while we've been trying to get this person onto the show. We've been trying for a couple of years now, and every time we schedule it, something happen. Unfortunately, we have to change and reschedule again. But anyway, she's back in the UK right now. It's very highly anticipated to talk with the Queen of Jamaica, aka the Queen of UK London dancehall scene. Queen Lady Gangsta says here. Good evening to you. How are you doing?
Good evening, blessed love, Rick.
Of course.
DJ
Thank you.
Rick.
Thank you very much for joining the show.
Thank you too. You know, it's been a while, not before the time.
Which is right. So what are you doing now? How is
Reach back.
why?
Because the way life is with all the pandemic, the whole heap of all we are going in the world, you just have to give God thanks and live for the moment.
So how you been coping though? Like, how you on the pandemic?
Well, the pandemic made me big. I was already a star, and the pandemic turned me into a superstar.
What happened?
I've gotten double tap. I said, my double tap. Girl power. Say your kitty clean. Say your kitty fat. Kitty power.
So, all right, how did the pandemic help that?
Because in March last year, that's when the quarantine and the lockdown and me being an internet what's the word? Sensation.
Yes.
In the lockdown and everybody they home, them find the use of me now because them take me for Papi show. And the depressed video when I did the press the 25th of September. Not last year, the year before, I'm come out and say, I need enough to show me some love, I'm depressed.
Yeah.
I'm scream out and them say, me I hear that I'm this, but pressure bust pipe. And I think I put a lot in the community.
Yeah.
And when I was feeling down, I think the community owed it to me for say, Queenie, I love you, Queenie, you make me happy, Queenie, you make me day. So I reach out as the woman I am and said, I'm depressed, depression is real. Yeah. And them take me for laughter. 25th September, and by March, I said the whole of them have it for me. I said I last 1 hour for 4 hours watch about my own video. So it's a blessing.
Do you plan these things when you have these sporadic behaviors? Is it something planned or you just decide?
Never. Not know what I do if you pay me $1 million for do back one of my video. No, I could never do it the same way. Yeah. Because everything is spontaneous.
Exactly.
At the moment how I feel, the way I express myself. And I like to be seen from young. So if it's good, I like it to see it. If it's bad, I like it to see it. And if it's the indifference, I like it to see it. And that's what made me to reign as the queen as I am, because I can take the critics.
We're gonna get to the queen
so,
side.
Let me just ask this one quick. So now we have the queen is here, and you've been out of the UK for quite some time.
Months.
We just want to find out, how is married life treating you? How you enjoying married life?
Beautiful. It's a wish that come true. Wish do work.
Yeah.
Because from a young and they St. Thomas more married, and them said, don't open my umbrella under the roof, because if you open my umbrella, you're not going to marry. So every time I have an umbrella, I'm always conscious of not opening it in the roof. I'm a crave for married. I've been with one man 22 years and give him 5 kids.
Yeah.
And unfortunately, we never married, and it made me still a aunt.
Yeah.
So to do it, Mr. Scarlett, I give him so much, and I love him more just the fact that we really married legally. Yeah. It's amazing. It's a blessing to me.
I know you're the person who really like to hide anything, but we're gonna get into the marriage conversation in a second. But let's bring it back a second where you being the internet source sensation you are. How did it start? Did you just get up one day and say, all right, because we knew you over here before. You are the person you are used to behave that way
from long time
in the streets, but you weren't so much on the Instagram wasn't really about. So how did that start? Did you just decide to say, all right, let me take this on the net?
Not really. It just happened naturally, because you'd have Facebook, you'd have MySpace, then you have WhatsApp, and it goes on and on. Instagram now, remember the first Instagram used to do just pictures.
Yeah.
But I have this friend named Tammy, I sent for her from like 2006. And when she come to England and I have this, no, not 2006. Yeah, anyway.
Yeah.
When she come to England and I go out with the antics and I driving at the Jeep, she said, Jay, would I like the world to see you?
Mm-hmm.
And it happens. Instagram coming now and them used to the picture. I remember the first Instagram video I do, or the song say, nothing up like ghetto girl. Them time when Instagram used to give you 15 seconds.
Yeah.
So I have around 100 people on my bill. I remember when we reached 900 I had, and them I said, don't accept nobody else. I said, there's a lot of people in the world need to know me. Anybody send me friend request, take it. So I have now 194,000. And it's because I'm a natural energy.
Exactly.
Let me just see if you could remember what is the first video, what made you famous, Instagram famous over here. Do you remember that video? Because I think I do, you know.
The Kango video.
Yeah.
What happened that day? Tell me what happened.
So you know, some go Ben Cross the Thursday now, or return some stuff. Cause you know, my ex-shoplifter.
Yeah.
So true, me so popular now, and I get popular and popular now. I stop thief, but I still in a bangarang.
Yeah.
Because when you're scared, you're scared.
Yeah.
So I go Ben Cross to go return some things, and there comes the on 6 security. 2 of the woman called to me. Then me see on 8 security back me up in a top shop. Remember, I have a criminal thieving record.
Yeah.
So I see them back me up in a top shop, but cut out, because I'm quick and fast, because I'm not thief nothing.
Yeah.
So them are watching it. Cut long story short, left Ben Cross, drive go Stratford. Lie, didn't drive, I take the train. So as I come off of the train, the first place I say Clinton with my thief himself now. After the bag I return now, because I'm still picking up.
1 and 2.
Yes.
So you're still there take it.
It's pick.
Yeah.
I pick it and pickings.
Yeah.
And the whole stack.
Yeah.
So I have the return now, going to Clinton now. I'm going to the oh my God, Queen Lady Gangsta. I'm a fan of your Ray, blah, blah. So I get carried away because fans.
Yeah.
It's all right, girl, you know what? And I hear a story, so all 2 can go block the third one. That was the Thursday.
Yeah.
Sunday, I'm in my bed now, Miss one girl, you know people and them not talk to you a certain way. She WhatsApp me and I'm like, our message don't make sense. Yeah, all right, Queenie, how you doing? Blah, blah. So I call her.
Yeah.
So Queenie want me, you know, so I go out with them. I said, no, she could even tell me. She just hang up and send me the video with me in that story for people.
Yeah.
Yes, when I see it, I just say, all right, I got me wrong and strong. No shame to me game.
Yeah.
I'm just say, hey girl, if you never call to my mountain thief, you can't go. And it's truth. Why she greet me, give me a push start, I say, what?
Yeah, say, where are the nice?
Yeah.
Me give you fame.
Yeah. I acknowledge you.
Yeah.
So I just go so back now and make a big fuss. Oh, girl, if you never call me, I just say, see, Kangle, send the police. At 29 time I got jail.
Yeah.
So the fact that my
You actually count them?
Yes. It depends your charge sheet, you know.
29 times for what? The same offense?
Arrested for shoplifting.
29 times for shoplifting.
I just shoplifting, me have.
So I'm guessing your shoplift all harrods and them place there.
Everywhere, man. Me start from the cheapest till me reach the richest. And from me reach the richest, me no want no more cheapness.
So otherwise from the Yankee Candle, what are some of the other items?
Security spit from me.
Spitfire.
So that happened the 20th of November 2016. 16 lie. 2 years ago, 2019. So the 20th of November now, so March now, I come from Jamaica, fresh and got with green. Just a window shop. As I say, when you scar is scar.
Yeah.
So because I took place in November, the security alert. So by the time we reach into the store now, I take the bag, I have a black bag on my angle. Even could I get the bag to thief, but I thief it, you know.
Yeah.
Listen, but I didn't thief it.
Yeah.
So there's a difference.
Yeah.
So I put the bag on my angle. So I have
because you never leave the store with it, so
no.
you don't steal.
Somebody at the back of Mother Care, and the man come to me and said to me, say, give me the bag. So I say, remember me argumentative, you know.
Yeah.
I'm a strong black woman. So I say, you're bright, team, and I leave the store, you can't tell me that.
Yeah.
And say, give me the bag. So when him says that to me now, I'm go back at the back of the store, put back the bag, same place I'm get it, because before me give you, me not giving you, come and leave the store.
Yeah.
So when I done put up the bag now, I'm go up to him now, in front of the till. But the people them at the till, my workers them I whisper to him, so I touch him, I say, security. So you know, I see man 2 days ago, I read him down. I soon tell you about that. Anyway, Someone said, security, come here, be nice, no, come here, all purpose.
Yeah.
I said, security, what's the problem? He said, don't touch me. So I have one of the little suit. Because you know that children's store.
Yeah.
So I throw down the seat and say, after me not thief nothing in the store, the man just goes for two. Father God, I couldn't believe it. So the man spit on me. I start trim, but I start sweat as me is now. I'm back the phone out of my back pocket and I say, yes, spit on me. Two, run him down. Anyway, run him down, come out of the store, I'm go cross the road. DJ Rick, may I tremble as I am now. I said to my daughter, because when I go through the door, come through me so determined and I run him down with the camera. Him kick after me when I go through the door.
Yeah.
Because if you listen to the last part of the camera, I say, lick me. I kick him, kick after me now, but I'm so nervous, I not even say kick.
Yes, yes.
So I go cross the road, I say, Nas, you know, say now have this.
Yeah.
But I think, because I have to let out my rat and I say, if them camera got jail, I just throw the orange on the apple. I just stop our half life, so put 6 orange in the bag, 6 apple. Instead of going in, I throw the first orange if not licking. And when I throw the second apple, I see it licking me and I'm back. I just put my hand up in the sky and say, God, I love you. Call the police. you just for joke.
Yeah.
And that's why it don't look right in a people's eyes. They must go on.
What I get from the situation when that's the next time, like I think he was being funny. I say, "Yo, you Queen, you know your crosses though."
And that's what I said. I understand that, but I overwrite that. Because crosses is not a good label. I am a strong, positive woman. My energy too high, my spirit too high for make somebody run joke. Me not run negative joke, Rick. The words from your mouth can defy their body. And that's what I'm going to learn. When something broke when you're granny say, get up and spin your roll crosses. Me no destruction. So no run no destruction joke with me. Me ain't a sip cup of tea. When you have somebody where you and them run joke, and you're close to them. If them run a joke with you where you don't like you have some friends here, I say, Dirty Queenie, you can't call me dirty. You can't class me or heal me as a friend.
No, but this is what I don't understand with you, Queenie. Because when the camera is off, you're a totally different person from when it's on. Because I know you when you're in your normal day-to-day life, you're very quiet. And I notice you hardly talk as much. But whenever it's like in certain environment, it's like a transform. I don't know.
Because I have multiple personality. So you see, with me, I don't believe in a losing. Because I grow rough, I go to school without shoes, I get all heap of bad treatment, so I'm defensive towards myself. So if something happens, me have to stand up to myself if them kill me. So people look on it say I'm minor, but it's my defense to feel good within myself. Yes, I'm quiet. I am multi-talented. Me the worst ag ever. I'm the nicest ever. It's truth. So when you see me on the camera, if somebody ever come in on my DM and I go abuse me about myself saying horrible things, me I go turn the camera and so but what about when I get up a skin, Jesus love me. When I get up a dance, Jesus love me. If somebody not interfere with me, you don't see that dark side.
That's I can
words carry weight.
Yes. Let's drag on your
well, more ask because before all of this, we know Queenie as we call it
Lady Gangsta.
A comedian or something. Then we just have this big song out of nowhere.
I love myself.
Where I come from? Where I come from?
All right. You see, natural energy and believing in yourself. I'm going to church, I'm in a baptized, Because I say if you're baptized or you don't baptize, from your righteous, you survive. You see, when I send my kitty out, because I read it with the pan.
You can swear.
When the pussy starts spread out now. Remember, at the same Dexter we call my cross, somebody creep like one alligator in my DM and start abuse me. Send me 32 messages offensive. Me I work with Dexter now and Dexter found them for 3 weeks and she come at you. I'm tired now. So now in the Jamaican with me, and go a center mass and say everybody when they might cuss them skin out. I that me do and send the video giver. 10 minutes after, I see around 200 people I said about the video, so I lock off my phone.
We saw that video.
Listen, you know when the truth catch back by you? So I lock off the phone now and for the next 2 weeks I beer bang around. Who said I apologize? Who said them shame on me? Who said me is a disgrace? I'm not done, me I cuss back everybody. So one Monday morning now I go out green and I carry my grandbaby go to school, me and my daughter. And she said, Mom, why did you call those boy name in Edmonton? I said, because them are younger and them have my pussy picture I carry on, so me I class them. She said, you don't know them, Mom. I said, none of them can do me nothing. And she still there contradict me. I just run out of the car, left she and her pitney. And run down Wood Green. I just double tap I go make now. I'm a run down Wood Green. I go, I say, God, more you tell them to leave me alone, more be at peace. Father God, more somebody to sing one song for me. From tell them to leave me alone. May I think about Tyler G and Dan and J. I may say, me now ask them. But may I say, God, more somebody sing a song for me. When I reach home, every video I do for post, I can't post the video, Remember me I walking, I not take no bus, I walk go on my yard, So I reach home, I'm going to the house. I say, God, what am I for doing? And him said, turn on the live. God bless Instagram and them live. And this lady named Bridget from America, she said, Queenie, I'm a living witness for you. They provoke you. I'm a technology, criminology, all some word that should talk. Me not understand, but it sound good.
Yeah.
And the woman just coming like one angel. I'm just sitting on listen. She said, Queenie, go back on your post and delete all negative posts. And this are the Monday now, and I thought tomorrow I got to an artist and I know, you know, look how God good in a Rick. So the live done now, I in the evening in the bed. And Babette met the pastor call me, and the pastor said, Janice, Babette said to call you, what do you want? I said, I love myself. Mr. Pastor, but don't want nothing at all. I just want them leave me alone. I'm going to be at peace. And the man just said, peace in the name of Jesus. Peace for you, Janice. He come like a God himself come talk to me. Watch that. Cold bumper take me. So the Tuesday morning now, I wake up now. I saw my producer 100% still can come and play.
Yeah.
Because from 2 years ago, him call me, tell my boy, Mom, do intro. So him call me now in the art. Remember, I have defense against every man now, you know. Every man have my pussy picture, and I don't want no man talk to me, you know. Yeah. So him call me and say, oh, Queenie, I want you to do an intro and I'm coming. I say, so you say? Yeah. Couple hours after him turn up, I want him turn up, him say, as my going in him car, him say, Queenie, I saw that when my man called you crosses, you was upset, so I told my mom, I'm going to write your song. I say, you write my song? I mean, I hear a song, you know. Yeah. Nobody call me no crosses. Me and him go to studio, I'm going to put on my one. I said, Dexter blind. He better put on him glasses. Put crosses by Instagram. Everybody I said, what? Queen, turn on. That's the choose them. So the third morning, 2 morning after now, 100% still come to pay me. This is double tap now. Queenie, I come for pay me. So I don't want your money still because you do the crosses song for me.
Yeah.
Yeah. It said, no, I'm sticking to my word. And can I come inside to Bonner Zoot? You see, if you know when him Zoot. Anyway. So when him says so now and him coming home, I have the little bomb box in the kitchen and him said, I've got some beats in her. Be a girl sending me a pussy in her, Queenie. But you should just tell him that your pussy is clean and fat. I'm say, send it, girl, a what? See him in this defenseful vibe and still just start jump up in the kitchen and say, yes, yes, yes. There you go, there you go. In the same Jamaican vibe. Yeah. So that way him give me no boots, me. So when him says so to me, you know, him said, do it now, let her put the camera up, you know. Remember me and I sing artist yet, you know. So I said, this is me now. Say my pussy fat. Him said, no, say your pussy clean first. I remember that like no, I just say, say my pussy clean. If you notice, man, I smile my face. Watch the video in the kitchen. Me so hurt and broken. But you see the way I fight for myself, me I sing this card, this sound good for sure them. Say my pussy clean, say my pussy fat. Yeah. Say me send it gear, girl, I say what? Yeah. Remember I just them 2 lines there, you know? Yeah. And that go viral. So in the meantime, when that I go viral, I said to Silk, say, Silk, you know, so a man from America send my pussy picture with film picture, one collage, and him come look like so what's up? I said, say, put that in it then. I say, thank Billy now. Yeah.
People, I know most one never hear this. Never in life. You heard it first right here.
Of course. Seriously.
Jesus Christ. I feel like I'm going back to school. I need to get up my notebook and write down some.
Glad it's God.
And one question our Instagram people have been asking, why Instagram approve you?
Because a lot of people report me because them super crazy and I have mental health. But everybody crazy and mental health. It's just my personality is so bold and beautiful, and they can't maintain it. So if you don't really go and find it offensive, you're going to say, what did I do, man? I need to get rid of her. So them crawl on them belly and report me. I don't want them blue tick. They can't keep it the sky blue. God give me my blue tick. I don't want it. I don't care about it because you know what? Instagram do me a great deal by billing my platform. So if I never get that blue tick, I still a bill.
And like, we have to call it when we see it. So basically, we see a lot of artists in the UK is they're I'm not talking Stylogy because Stylogy he actually done it UK and Jamaica. We see a lot of them in the UK acting like they are the man or they are the woman, but in truth and in fact, their song only playing in London. Your song is the only female song where it's a it. England, Jamaica, America, Canada, everywhere. Because
all like Caribbean countries,
that song,
worldwide, it's true.
Yes.
It's a song where everybody know.
Yes.
Lady Gangsta Queenie, it's a household name now.
Amen. Thank you for that.
Of course.
I said that to my husband, Mr. Scarlett, the other day. I said I'm a household name.
Wait, before we get to Mr. Scarlett, because that's the next thing.
Next
topic. There's a lot of things we talk about. Obviously, when you get back from Jamaica, we realize that you start doing skits now. Are you going into acting? And you have a gentleman that you've been doing the skits with. GA is here with us in studio.
Yes.
Welcome to the show, sir. Good evening. How are you doing?
Well, I'm good. How are you?
Yes. Talk to us about what's happening here between you and Gangsta, because I see you doing these skits and these players. Is it acting going on? What going on?
Yeah, can't see the potential in me.
I've known this woman for years, and it's just like we match energy. So I was just like, you know what? One day she just come back, and I was like, wait, you're back in England? Let me tell you something. She said that she was gonna come back a couple weeks, and she's gone 8 months and then come back later. So I was just like, wait, let's just start some content. So I'm like, because I'm on TikTok, I have my platform on TikTok already.
Yeah. And what's your platform name?
J Edwards on everything.
Okay.
Yeah, J Edwards. And also on the show, so I was like, let me just play with it a bit. So I was like, Queenie, come, let's do some TikToks. We do one first one everywhere. Yeah. We do one second one, every one of them hits. So I was just like, we just start doing skits.
Determined.
Yeah,
is it something that you think that you find that you like doing that?
Yeah, come all purpose. And that's the beauty with me. I'm not just artist.
Yeah.
I have the Girl Power program where one at a time I have all 7,000 people on the live at Wednesday night time and then fight it down.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So I have so much positive things.
I think you're one of the most loved and one of the most hated at the same time.
Yeah.
I
It
think
is
that,
a balance.
in London, who know you, love you, and on Instagram, who hate you, really hate you.
I'm going to put it that way there and make me carry that coming and take negativity. What happened? And I hate me now. For them life sad. And them I wonder what sweet me so a daytime. Because remember I'm not buying no followers.
Yeah.
So if it's either the cussing and the comfort, the singing, the marching, the hosting, it's be something that attract me to you.
Yeah.
You see me not watch nobody but myself. God bless when me look on somebody else's page. So that nobody can take away my energy. Me not ready nobody, me not go nobody can watch my own self. Yeah. So if you are gonna buy your data and your Wi-Fi for come watch me, if you go on fake page and tell me some all, I not eat me, I sad.
Yeah.
No, I joke because anytime I come on Queen page, like me have to sit down and get my drink and I just laugh.
So I watch my own self.
I see all the Jamaican and I things they are going on. So I tell me all the people and pay me. I say, come here, dude.
Do it. And
me can't answer June Plum into them. Why me for that? You know, I don't understand something. I'm see you down there live your best life. And I say, Jesus Christ, Queen, you must have all that yard. Live your life.
Yes. Before we get into, because this conversation can last forever, we have to watch time, right?
Yeah.
We still have Jay here, and he has a brand. He's on a show called Backchat. Is it Backchat?
Backchat, yeah.
Give us a little info about that, please.
Backchat is mainly like a debate show. It's just like a reality show. You just go on there, be yourself. Me, I just go out there, represent for Jamaica, and just do my thing. You know what I'm saying? So it's a nice little platform. I just go on there, gain little exposure, and just gain my followers.
What is the show about?
What's the concept?
It's like so you have like 5 girls, 5 boys in the kitchen, and they put real life situations in there. Yeah. From that, you just debate about real life situations. So if a man cheat on you with the next girl and they put them kind of situations in there.
Oh, it's like a face-off thing.
Yeah.
Oh, so what you do?
You just argue against people.
Take back all of my things and give man. I'm mean man.
Serious,
of course.
Take it back.
And where can we find the Backchat series?
It's on YouTube, Trend Central platform. It gets a lot of views. It's very entertaining, so I suggest people to go over there.
Yeah. And for you now, going forward with Queenie, what's the concept? What are you working towards? Is there something coming on? Is there more skits looking forward to, or what?
Are there more skits?
Natural flow. We just have to put the good energy to the nation.
It's even there's vibes, you can't really plan for the vibes. Right. You go with the team.
And Jay have this determination, because you see me, sometimes I can't, but he's a perfectionist. And sometimes I say, come the Queen, man. I'm saying, leave me alone. It's a little determination about it. I like the challenge.
Yeah.
What it is, we tested it as well, and people like the response from the response that we're getting from the videos, that they like us and they like the skits. So we just say we give them more of it if they want.
Sorry to change topic a little bit, but when the Queen is gonna grace us with our present at a little event, a little charade get together, you know, a little.
More and keep on welcome one party.
I don't know when you're gonna grace you with a present, you know, maybe at a little event where we can see the Queen.
A big party.
May I keep a welcome home party? I think I deserve that because a lot of people want to come meet and greet.
Yes.
Now on dairy style, sit down,
Queen is
cut my
here,
10 and do the queen wave and all of the girl power them.
Yes.
And I tell Mr. Scarlett, I said, you know what, do we? I have 98% tonight. I said the next 2%, I'm going to win them because I mean, it's 100. And we did.
Of course.
That wedding, man, do we go through a lot, you know. And I said, I want to come back April, but I go up on stage, go tell on stage, so we're going to marry me April.
Yeah.
Say, I come in April, or we're going to marry.
No, we never look.
No.
And I said, do it for my birthday. 11 days before the wedding. It's beautiful.
So the Dewey situation. You married your partner in crime. Obviously, there's a lot of speculation going around with you and Dewey. Can you just tell me, your point of view, how did the relationship blossom to
the Jew plumber?
You carry Jew plumber.
Listen, man, this is the greatest love story ever to me. Because my brother died last year, July. So I went down August. So after around a week before my brother buried now, I get to a message from my WhatsApp. Double tap queen. Wagwan. So I say, who this? Your man. This I do you know, you know. Your man. So I send him back a voice note. I say, you're bright team, I have no man, I don't want no man. He reply, but which part in the world are there? I said, there you go, if it was my man, you'd know me there. Jamaica.
Yeah.
As Mr. Sam said, there Jamaica, may I cover your foot now. Just as a fun, it's all right.
Yeah.
Come and make him meet my friend Yvette. So when him come now, I see him come on to a taxi. You know, when your friend a chat, man, I say, what in brighty, my guy? Could I the trader want string my nigga? Listen. But you see him smile when him have.
Yeah.
Him smile when him have. Anyway, so I do a little video now, because I sit down inside at my friend's shop and him on the outside, but the grill part we have. So you know, everybody meet Queen want to take a picture or a video.
Yeah.
So him put the camera up on me and say your cocky clean, say your cocky hot. Say send the cocky key, I tell her that. And him post it on him WhatsApp. Who start class, mama pussy big and lean and chop out? Who start say me take him and arc just for that, you know? Start tell him to me and him there.
Yeah.
So when him show me the something, them and I sit down there, they like, oh, Queen, look at them say. Me beg, you know. Come here, say them brighty, so as them reach, I just send him a voice note and say, listen, my youth, I don't want nobody, I'm not lead it. And you come see me as a fan, you can stay as a fan. Because I don't want a girl holler my tongue from nowhere, you know. So I tell him that. Him take it no payment of mine 2 weeks after, though him call me back, say if him can come look for me a second time. Tori, come to me.
Yeah, God.
Let me look at something there.
What are the Queen that drink? What are
I
the
need a drink.
Drink break.
You see what is for you, Rick, can't be for no one else.
Exactly.
A one man trash is another man treasure.
Exactly.
God bless Mr. Scarlett. When him come the second time now, me never meet him. Make him meet me and my friend, my Cameron and my mother.
Oh, so quick.
Remember our fans, anybody come look for me and my mother, them come here even to see me. Remember our fans and man.
Yeah. Fan stage. So
remember me now look him, I don't tell him to not look me.
Exactly.
Anyway. So yeah. When me pull up on my mother with do you know, this is mommy.
Yeah.
What where you bring for me? I say, what when bring for? Because that's not my mother. So I just shoot her and I say, where you ask him? You know him from nowhere? Yeah, I'm a friend doing the man did that talk about the cat. You're a good friend. You come back the second time. Me shame like that.
So him know your mom before?
No. It's when me I call him Tread one of my friend. I see him distance.
Yeah.
Me can't run my mother no member. That's how much me not interested. You know, 10 somebody come meet 50 somebody, you know, I remember you just stand up here, so we do it, stand up. So I did remember. So when mom said to me, say, I'm a friend, me like him, me and him did that talk about the cat. So he put me in my little shell now, and I say, wow. So she come out with some Baileys and give him did that drink and dragon. When my mother gave him the Baileys, me sit down out on the veranda, me and him half an hour. Me alone just a chat like me eat fall bottom and him a sweat. And him not drink my mother drink. So me just take my mother glass a Baileys, shake up the ice. turn it around and just make one big lap son. Remember me no know me I gotta take a boy now, you know.
Yeah.
Make one big lap and say, I come go in your yard. Cause me I drive, so I just drop him in my yard. But I just drop him at the pint. Me no know him yard, me no care about him. I just me up on holiday and somebody come check me and nothing for drop him.
Yeah.
So I'm drop him now as me reach back now. This is mom. But do you not have no manners? How me tell the boy say me like him and him gone? And not tell me. Me don't even tell her say him not drink or drink nor nothing.
Yeah.
The whole night, me can't sleep. It's like me I think back say, oh my God, nice for you him smile nice and I love him voice. Him have a sexy voice. So I start reminiscing and start looking in my mind now, you know. Me no know say me look him, you know. Me not sleep, you know.
Yeah.
So the morning when I wake up now, I call him and I say to him, I not tell him what my mother saying, but my conscience a beat me. So I say, you have mango tree, me there up 100 man. Like me I telling him my bed me neither, but me don't want to look like me I come look for him now, innit? I say, you have mango tree, me have me there 100 man and it then near to your yard. Him said, no, I'm not having no mango tree, but oh my God. So when
So what I saw the June plum name forward.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Boy, Queenie, you have to write a book or put this on Netflix.
It's true. It's so natural and real.
So
When
mom, where you go for where you get June plum? Talk is
Yeah, so when I reach now, it's when I drop him the night. Me think I the same live.
Yeah.
So I see him gone on in the alley. My jump from him gone in, I know I'm in a new enough. But this man is easy. So I walk going in the alley now, I see one lady now, one yellow dress say, I Queenie that. So this is me to myself. I couldn't imagine that coming. I take him because mother look younger than me.
Yeah.
Me not supposed to think that.
Yeah.
I want him.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna jump plum tree, pick 3 jump plum, which is my lucky number. Theme lucky number. When him pick the jump plum, them him stay on that tree, peel them, and I sit down and eat them. Then the mosquito them start bite me now, and I slap up the mosquito them. But that time I go get the fuck now, no. I don't know.
Yeah.
So I said to me, say, you're invited in my house, and I said, I never know I'm invited in there. So you could have said that big house there. So I said, all right, I'm come in there. I said, Rick, as I'm going at the man house, I just place myself right at the bed at the doorway. As I'm going on the bed there, so I just lie down at the bed. Come here, have a little dress. Put my hand on my back, put my head top and lie down, so. You know what I do? Just turn on him TV and put on double tap. Him not said nothing, just put on double tap.
Yeah.
And just lie down on top of me, and I just feel him cocky start go. Queen are greatest, beloved my son.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I feel it, something I grow. I never invite him, but someone said to him, say, you can't fuck me without condom, you know. And him jump off. So the him jump off now, lose my, me I say, I'm bright.
Bright.
Yeah, jump off of me, so like something do me now. But you know, you're protective. But the way him react so quick, like me take it back offensive.
Yeah.
So then open the drawer and come up with the silver paper. I just take it from him. My song I play now. What my song say? Say my pussy clean, say my pussy fat. Remember as a folk song, you know, when I sing that song, I'm single.
Yeah.
So the single when I single, I never get intimate, close by my song.
Yeah.
So the come on top of me now, like everything just a come to me. I'm just take the condom out time and I put it in my bosom and just put him something in me and say my song. So I gotta take the chance because God could never make me single for 1 year and take one man and him give me something. I'm just take my chance. 10 days after that, I come and I just go straight to home town.
It almost like we can listen.
People, Romeo and Juliet have nothing and Queen.
Truth.
Exactly.
See, they know my wife, natural.
So there's speculation that obviously people saying that you're married at Jamaica. The common trend is that you're married at Jamaica, then husband forward over England.
Then I must.
When do we forward?
When do we forward?
When the paperwork's open, if it take 10 days, it'll open 10 days. It's the system. I'm gonna stop till my last breath because I want my husband to join me because he's a good man.
Because you know you're in England and we are among you and we are among each other and we know it's gonna be hard to maintain a relationship
Him have to come by the grace of God. He have to.
Him have to come.
You know what? For that man married to me, is a great youth. For him, look for me and married me to me in the space of 6 months.
Yeah.
I give him an honor, man. Trust me.
I think that. Do you feel like do we set you at peace? Like
yes, my change him. Yes, I does. I have this glue every time I talk about marriage. It come like I get £1 million.
Yeah, because I don't want to go in negative vibe, but what's your former boyfriend name out there?
Ziggy.
Yeah, I guess you and him have a bad breakup, and he was
it depressed me.
Yeah,
depressed. I'm depressed. My mom said me to go talk to Eco when him did run over the girl.
Yeah, me see it.
So after me talk to Eco and 6 months after he beg me and say for forgive him, I'm take him back.
Yeah.
When me take him back now, me realize I'm a play for a second fool.
Mm-hmm.
But remember the nation did help me done him when me never asked them or not make that choice.
Yeah.
So when me take him back now, them turn against me. So I just turn back against them and tell them, so no can't tell me which team if I put in my cafe.
Okay.
Right. So this time now, me no bother tell them. Me just ball out. I said me depressed.
And the cars are riot.
All right, Queenie, let me just ask you something really quick. And I know that you're very thick skinned. So even when you're depressed and you can face a lot of things and face the bad comments and the harsh comments, what about doing? Can he take that? How does his mental state in terms of like people talking shit about him?
Love conquer it all. Man, do we have something? Do it slim, innit? So
yeah, because people that don't even know. Yeah, and say Marga like tread.
Yes. I mean him in a room, I'm put up one video with him, go up on him head, I do all sorts of stuff.
Yeah, and them beat him both.
I'm say them go and bad all who know where drives, drop them drives to me. And when do we wake up? Because the man is sleeping and they can't sleep and I run through the video them. You know, you look up for the video them. I said, no man, this nice. I need the world to see how fit my man is. I'm fascinated over my husband to be, you know. I'm a post it and I said, do him a post the video, you know, you go cuss him. So I never tell him to post it crazy. When me look on the class and the comment, I say, I carve it, I carve it. You see me see them now done? And do we say put it up back? Me just put it up back and just start class them back for my husband. Because people make
it's archive, right?
Yes.
I can't you call it.
I saw me my list tongue to something, but them understand.
Yeah. All right, listen, because time is up on us. We're here in the studio, people just join us. Queen Lady Gangsta is here, obviously. And also we've been speaking with Gia. He's here, he's a blogger. And he's also a part of the Backchat family, which is a YouTube series that cuss each other, and that's what this one is coming. Yeah. So while before we wrap up, can we just get some social media from Jay, or how we can find you and find yourself?
So type J Edwards in every single platform you can find, and you'll find me. Energy, vibes, everything on there. So realness here,
of course. See, and Backchat again. Is the concept again about the Backchat.
So Backchat is basically a debate show. So people go on there with no manners and they will just discuss any topic that you want to discuss
and talk the bag of things. Them.
Yeah, and talk the bag of things. Them. So me and my natural self just go on there and just talk the truth, and then
makes sense.
Go eat an argument with one vex.
Of course, people make sure you follow Jay as well. All right, and we're here. Queen is here. We've been having very spicy conversations. Whatever things I talk about, and she's just giving her insight of how she is and her life. Basically, she's back in the UK. Time is up on the bus. I just think, want you for just. I'm not asking you for no freestyle or anything because I know you don't really like them something there. But I know it's only due that the double tap. I want to look a piece of you. What you call it?
50-year-old still there, road still full of chat. Now take it back, fat pussy girl still forget that. So you know something turn goal. Oh, you mean about too old, wickedest queen from 10-year-old. Serious thing never been, never fall. Me queenie never sell my soul. Must think some name, chicken or fall. Anyway, me them have to take control, jump on a car.
No, but crazy. No, crazy again. No.
50 year, that's my drill music at the Palma Viva.
But
chip drill.
To be honest, you've improved a lot. Because the last time I saw you perform the first time. I think it was one of them party there. And the way you were comparing to now, it's a total contrast.
More confident.
Yeah, so all right.
More exposure.
Why you just give it, when anything you want to jog and play one beat,
yeah.
And if you can do it, you can do it. What can see what I want?
Yeah.
Too slow?
It don't matter all purpose screen. Find love, my dream plum. Them vex me, I live my life. Me find new love, my dream plum. Them vex me, I live my life. Only things are going for Queenie. Do we alone me one between me? My pussy tight and it's teeny. Big chest, double D, them a stream me. My God bless everything okay. Me not stress if my bills no pay. Enough girl I try take do your way, but me treat him good, same nah go straight. Double top pussy is a good hand and it. Hey, Queenie, I'm in of crazy. The big bad British queen artist.
You know, say you surprised me.
Thank
You
you.
surprised me, no?
Yeah.
I'm serious, but me never expect you.
But they're determined at
Yeah.
that.
Dragon, me ask you something.
Me tell us say sometime in life, some things we don't expect
Sure.
Yeah.
we get. So just like how I never thought in the world, like the double tap song,
Would that be that big hit? Me never even
I
know
mean-
the difference.
I never know because me actually listen it and me like the song because the song, the concept good is fun and it's just nice. It's a
Everybody
nice
come
song.
out a pussy. And that's why I sang powerful
It's
song.
nice. It's a
Man
nice
come
song.
out a pussy. Woman, say my pussy clean. Say my pussy fat. Say me send the pussy girl out. Say the man I love to see a lot of. They must say the juices like a so what. When they see me picture them I double tap. Double tap. They say they never double tap. Hey, never wonder if I really clean that. Full of chat queen now take it back. Full of it say you know say me suck. DJ Eric you know I in that. Crazy dragon, yeah.
I want to just say thank you very much for joining the show. It's a pleasure having you here. What's next for Queenie? Before we go, what's next for the agenda? What you have next?
Well, me have whole heap of song for release. Me and my husband have June Plum record and we are try. We have June Plum label. So we have like a song where we are released out on the June Plum record. So tune into my Vivo and I've got my antics videos on YouTube, Snapchat,
Yeah,
TikTok.
Yeah.
Watch that at the Queen that.
Yeah.
of course.
Girl Power every hour. We'll be back. Come on, do a weekly series on YouTube with my Girl Power. Because Instagram block me too often. So I'm going to go YouTube live. Girl Power, man, listen. All of me remember Girl Power, the girls that empower me. I love that. Woman
out
for
for this
support,
year.
woman.
Definitely.
All
This
right.
year we're going to go on a bag of things.
Yeah.
All the
What
royal
is-
crazy, blessed love, and be safe. The Lord is our light and our salvation. Peace out. A prayer day. Keep
Keep it there,
Eden
bro.
away. Blessed love. Thanks.
Thank you very much for joining us, Queen. You know, it's a pleasure. You know, it's a joy. You know, if you're on the live still, thank you very much for watching the show. This show is sponsored by Shush Prince. Also, we're sponsored by the big brand bad TGM Radio each and every Tuesday 9 p.m. right here. Remember, if you want to be a part of the show, all you have to do is contact us at Upnlive Show and all the social media. Also, you can log on to our Facebook pages and our Instagram pages, the same name at Upnlive Show. The videos that we do here are posted on our YouTube channel each and every week. Search for us on YouTube. It's called Upnlive Show. And you can also send us a little support to the show. Dragon, what's the info for the support again?
You know, you can cash up us. You know,
Yeah.
Dragon has star and Upnlive for the PayPal. And so people, upcoming artists, remember you could send your song over to us at the Upnlive Show at gmail.com. Send your song over there, and you know you get vetted and then get played and featured on the plug. You know, when I talk about just play it on the radio,
Yeah.
your song get a post on the
Instagram.
Instagram.
Yes.
So yeah,
Yeah,
do the right
featured.
thing.
Make sure say do that. And quickly, we don't know say lockdown there, but we still go have some fun this weekend. Black Night Sound will be having their headphone launch party at a plush South London venue. I don't know if things have been tampered with because of the July 19th information, but link up the Black Night Sound team for more details. Limited £20 tickets pre-sold and free food. I know so some people knock up on a Friday night and them want, you know, like a big clean of them belly and beer things. So you can link up KJ, Dio, Triggs or Cowboy on any of their social media platforms or any numbers that you have. What me, babe? Of course, I forgot to be and a son and a wanna call it Red Rice and Rooster Day and a Sunday. And we don't know Sunday's Father's Day, so it's a special day. Unfortunately, as we know, like the fathers, them the 20th. Fathers don't normally get a big up, isn't it?
Me never remember.
That's what I'm saying. Exactly. So we want to give a big shout out to Real Recognize Real Promotion alongside Ricky and Gary English, who will be presenting their big all-white Father's Day Ball Part 2 on Sunday. It's called Roll Deep, the My Dogs Roll Deep headphone settings. Andrew Fresh, Movie Star Johnny, Killer Philo, Squidley, Video and pictures by the best of the best. Food and drink will be on sale. Lil Keish, DR White, Shanty Force, Sit On Bad Artists, plus a bag of other artists will be performing. Also happening this weekend on Saturday, June 19th, Buna Bless presents her birthday party, a night called Sexy Senorita, the body day, a leader on the 19th of June. Make sure to link her up for the details then, for the location. Food will be on the house, drink will be on sale, so make sure to roll out and have a good time. It's 11 o'clock on the dot. Thank you for joining us this evening. Queenie and Jay, thank you for being here. Queen Wave, you don't know where I get the Queen Wave. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, please be safe. Have a great week, and we'll see you next week. Next week, Sasha will be here from UK Dancehall Review, and in bed with Sasha, the hostess with the most. She'll be in studio with us. She'll be catching up with us and letting us know what it is that she's up to. So stay tuned. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Go over to our YouTube channel. Watch all the videos. Then peace out and have a great week. Dragon All Star.
I want to say every week, I want to say people love a brother, love a sister, let love really in everything you do. Once I read a book in them, so brain pose me and poor, right? And if them encourage you to get the vaccine, go and take it. Me don't say that, me not tell her that,
If you want to take it, take it. That's on you, boo. That's on you.
All right.
See you next week, guys. Take care.
Peace.